Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to take a look at my October and November Ipsy bags. It's just a regular Ipsy. I wanted to try it to see if I liked it, but the main reason I tried Ipsy is I seen what they were previewing for the Ipsy Plus and really liked that first bag that came out. The Ipsy Plus is $25, whereas the regular Ipsy is $10. And I never had subscribed to either one, but in order to get Ipsy Plus, which I think I'm eligible for now, I had to get Ipsy first until they had an opening. So my October bag looked like this. It's a cute little vinyl bag with a mask on the front. I guess Halloween they had a mask. It's a small bag. It's not very large, but enough to put, like, if you were going somewheres, just to put a powder and you know, stuff to touch up your makeup. They have a card in here and it says, "Who said nights were for sleep?" And on the back it doesn't list the products. It says test a vampy lip shade by Trust Fund Beauty, the liquid lipstick, and it's called Psychic. It's a deep magenta that always makes a statement. And if you buy anything, you can buy it on Ipsy.com shop and get 30% cash back, which I've already taken advantage of their cash back. I found some Too Faced products. I got the Too Faced Born This Way foundation and concealer for a good deal. I don't remember if it was 20 or 30% off. Those are two of the items, and I bought another Boom Boom cream, a larger size, from that. And I really like that part of it. And what they do, they give you the percentage money back on your PayPal card. I was able to pay my next month through the money I got back buying those products, and that's it. It doesn't list the products and tell you about the products or anything. The first thing I see is from IBY Beauty, and it's a Radiant Glow highlighter, and it's a little sample. Now, I already subscribed to Play Sephora, and I quit getting it. Kind of got where I didn't really care for it. This is a highlighter. It looks like this. It's very natural. I think it would look good on, I don't know. I'm not sure about that. I mean, I don't like a glittery highlighter, but comparing this to like a Wet n Wild highlighter, there's no comparison. I mean, it doesn't glow, it doesn't do much. So I don't know, I don't really like this. I've tried this First Aid Ultra Repair Cream. It's an intense hydration for dry, parched skin. Now this stuff is pretty good. I've tried it a few times, just under my eyes and on my face, just to see how it does. And it really is nice and hydrating. I like how it does on my face. Really, you know, I wouldn't mind having some of that. So this is a good product. Another one I got, which I had before, is a sample of the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, but I already had one of these last year in a Sephora Play. So to me, that's one negative I think about Ipsy. Why don't they send new products that are just coming out? I think this has been out a while, because I know I have one that I tried already. It seems like Play Sephora will send you the new products coming out, whereas these are just products they got cheap, samples they got cheap somewheres. Now this one, I've heard of this brand. It's Yensa, Y-E-N-S-A. It's a color face tone-up primer. I guess if you have like a color correction, it evens and brightens skin tone. It's got a natural radiant finish, blurs. It's basically a primer. So I may give that a try with the Makeup Forever. It's feels good. I don't know. I'll have to give it a try. And the last thing is a little small short. It looks like an eyebrow brush. That's pretty random, but. And then it's not full size. It seems shorter than normal. But how much does, this is $10. So this I'd say cost $1. I don't know which brand it is, but an eyebrow brush, Brose, B-R-O-S-S-E. Is that the brand? Girl, I don't even know the brand of this, but let me tell you, this is like $1 brush to me. This doesn't work on my skin. The only thing really is this that I like out of the whole thing, to tell you the truth. I will try the primer out, but I don't know. Do you think it was worth $10? I know the bag's not worth $10. Not my thing. I don't know if I should go back to, I think what I'm gonna do, I'll tell you what I'm gonna do, but let me show you what I got for November. It's got a little card in it again. This card, it says, there's no emoji for a highlighter. Okay, and it's just got some happy Friendsgiving, say what you're thankful for, and 5 emojis, and go. And somebody put what they're thankful for. It's a little joke, I guess, on the front. And then I think what they always doing is, like, you can go on their site and get a Tarte Deluxe Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. Unless they got one in here. They push what they're selling a lot, I find. Yep. Get up to 35% back on products. I guess you really have to be a subscriber to get that 30% back. But since then, I've kind of looked through a lot of stuff, but I haven't seen anything I particularly like or need. Now, I noticed this little lipstick, and I've tried it. It's the Ink Velvet by Parapira. It's a lip tint. And it's like in a little ink bottle. You open it up and it looks like this. It's in this carton. You open it up and it's like a little ink well. Yeah, and it is really pigmented. I'll put some on my pan here. It's on a little brush, like. It's really bright red, as you can see. It's a pretty color. And it's really pretty on your lips, and it really lasts long. And also got this pistachio cream. It's pistachio skincare, and it's pistachio oil. It's a body butter. This stuff is really nice. I like this. I like this, and I like the lipstick. This, let me put a little bit on my hand. It's kind of an odd tube. It's like this. Put a little bit. And it smells, oh, it just smells so good. I really like how this smells. I forgot how good it smelled. It really makes me want to eat pastries or something. You know, that pastry with the almonds on it and they're sliced. But this is pistachios, so. But I love pistachios also. But this is worth it. This makes me want to buy some of this. So if they had this on 30% off, which they probably do, I probably would buy this. I don't think I would buy this. But I like it. I just don't know if I would buy that. And then we have, is this a Tarte Amazonian? Yeah. A Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in Quirky. I have a few of these already. that I have gotten like this, some small ones. I don't know if I have quirky, but let's see, this is what it looks like. And let's see what quirky looks like here. Yeah, we can see it on my skin. This is pretty. That's the color right there. If you can see it up here. It's pretty. This isn't, I used this actually today to do my eyebrows. Part of it, I used like this. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I used the Benefit little brush brow thing and some clear gel. So I always use a lot of products doing my brows, but it has like the pencil. It's like a angled pencil, which I have one by Anastasia Beverly Hills like this, and I don't like the angled one. I like the pencil better, but when you gotta rub a little bit harder with this one. See, that's it here. And then you have, on the other end, you have the brush. I don't know what color it is. It looks pretty brown. Chocolate. It's in the color chocolate. And last but not least, and that's by, which company is this by? This is by Skone, S-K-O-N-E. I have never heard of this brand, so, but it seems nice. And this is a gel liner that you turn. It's black. Lock-It waterproof pencil eyeliner in pearl black. So you get these two. You get the pencil liner, the eyebrow thing. You get the pistachio cream body butter. You get the little lipstick here, and the, gosh, that seems like a lot. This one has 6 and the other one only had 4, unless I mixed them up. But yeah, this one was a lot better than the October, I feel. And the little bag is cute. Has some little triangles on it, you know. So I guess what I'm gonna do is try to upgrade to Ipsy Plus, which is $15 more. It's $25, but you get full-size products rather than these samples. And that was one reason I quit getting Play Sephora. I didn't like getting the samples that much. I was really into BoxyCharm with the full-size products. So, but what I liked, now that I'm not getting Sephora Play, what I liked about it, you would get a lot of the new products that were just coming out, and you could see if you liked them or not. You know, not a good representation of using it in a while, but you could at least sample it. So what I'm thinking about doing is getting Sephora Play again and upgrading to Ipsy Plus. And if I don't like the products they're getting, like, I don't like too many off-brand products. Like, I've never heard of these two. Not that I know a lot of brands, but the only brand out of all these is the Tarte brand that I've ever heard of. Maybe y'all know more about all this, but I don't. I mean, and sometimes these odd brands have good products you can find, but are they just getting these products because they're cheap? You know, these are samples, so they can't be costing that much for $10, you know. And is Play Sephora, I think, was no, maybe it was $10. Trying to remember, but it was $10. It was comparable to this price. But that's my 2 Ipsy bags. I just wanted to throw this little video out there so you can see what I got my first 2 Ipsys. Maybe my next Ipsy, whenever I get my Ipsy Plus, it'll be worth doing a video by itself, and I can show some of the products on my face. So what do you think? What do you think about Ipsy compared to Play Sephora? Do you think it's better? Do you think it's as good? Do you like getting all these odd products, or do you rather get like Tarte and Too Faced and, you know, those type products? Because I know one that BoxyCharm comes out with, that Beau Pierre I didn't like their eye pencil at all. Some are good, some are not, so. But that's what I have today. I'm sorry, my eye's crying and I'm sick. I have like a sinus thing going on. But my voice is not there. It's getting weak. But I just wanted to come on and do this. And please remember to subscribe if you haven't already. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. And until next time, take care. And I'll see you again. Bye.